Welcome to Solve It with Speedtech, where we share common knowledge on how to solve technical and media-related problems. Please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification button for more of this video to come your way. If you're already a subscriber, don't forget to like and share. In this video, I am going to unveil some hidden and quick steps to access every shortcut that could make your work easy, save time and boost productivity while using Microsoft Word. Please, after watching this video, don't keep this to yourself. Share the link with others. To unveil these shortcut keys, follow the steps below. Open Microsoft Word. Any version is fine, but I am currently using Microsoft 2021. On the Microsoft Word environment, locate and click on the View menu button. On the View tab, click Macros. Select View Macros. On the new macro dialog window that will appear, type the following command inside the macro name box. List commands. One word without space. Click Run. On the List Command dialog box that will appear, select and click on Current Keyboard Settings and click OK. Instantly, you have unlocked all the shortcut keys that will make your work easier while using Microsoft Word. A 10-page document will appear showcasing all the shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. With these shortcut keys, your work around Microsoft Word will be easier. Now do this and tell me your experience on the comments section. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share. If you are yet to subscribe, please do so now. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching.